Good morning, class 12th. We were discussing the topic that is current electricity. In the current electricity, we have done many topics, and the last topic was the temperature dependency of the resistivity. As we have done that for the metals and alloys. है ना? For metals and alloys, the resistivity is directly proportional to temperature. That means कि if you will increase the temperature, the resistivity will also increase, or if you will decrease the temperature, the resistivity will also decrease. And for that, we have proved a formula also, that is resistance at temperature T with Celsius is R naught 1 plus alpha delta T. है ना? And you know the significance of every symbol, just like RT is the resistance at T degrees Celsius, R naught is the resistance at 0 degrees Celsius, alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistance, and the delta T is the change in temperature. Today we will discuss the temperature dependency of resistivity for semiconductor and insulator. You just keep in your mind that the resistivity or resistance of metal or alloy is directly proportional to temperature, but for any other substance like semiconductor, for insulator like electrolyte, for anything except metal or alloy, the resistivity or resistance is inversely proportional to temperature. The reason is that if you will see the energy gap, that means Eg is less than equals to 1 electron volt for semiconductor, but if you will see for insulator, Eg is greater than 1 electron volt. So it is very tough to just jump the electron from conduction band to valence electron for the semiconductor and insulator. So the number density of electron, number density of electrons, that means N is inversely proportional to, N is directly proportional to e की power minus Eg upon RT. So because of this, the resistance or resistivity is inversely proportional to temperature. That means if you draw the graph for semiconductor, this is resistivity, this is temperature, graph is suddenly decrease. So this is for what? Semiconductor. So just keep in your mind, for the semiconductor and for the insulator and for the electrolyte, for all these three substances, the resistivity is inversely proportional to temperature. But for metals and alloy, the resistivity or resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss the another topic of the same chapter, current electricity. Thank you, class.